Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is BrightCode. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more web tutorial like this. So in today's video, we'll learn how to create this color changer, which allows you to change the color of an image to any color you want. It was done with this library, this GitHub library. You can check the GitHub page if you want to do it too. Yeah, this is a demo. And this is what this code are what we are going to be using. So it's just easy. It doesn't require too much code since the code has already been done here. Alright then, let's get started. Alright guys, we are going to start with HTML first. Color changer. I'll be using an inline styling. Also an inline source. We also need to get the source that I'll be using, which is here. See the website, and just grab this. No, sorry. Let's grab this one. And paste. You also need one for the link. That should be this classic. You can use the others too. You can use classic, mono, beta, nano. And yeah, that should be it. So for this time I'll start with container div and the image. Shoe. Alright. This image will be available for you in the source code. Okay, then content div, an ID of content too. Good. Then the picker, or should I say color? Let's just pick it as picker. Choose the color picker. Great, that should be it for the HTML. Then as for the CSS, I have margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing, border box. Then our body, background, which is image bg. Good. We also have background size. Sorry, that should be cover. And height 100 views. Dot container position absolute top 14. Good. Left 50 pixels. Transform, translate -50, -50. Give it a width of 500 pixels and height of 400 pixels. Background white. box shadow of 1 pixels, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 0 pixel, RGB 0.0.0.2. Text align center, padding 20 pixels, 0. And that should be it for the container. Now content, position absolute, width of 100%, height of 100%, top 0, then mix, blend, hue. Good. And just continue the image with 100% and height of 300 pixels. Good. After that, should we do that? No, let's just do it. Alright. And now for our last one, which is the script. We are going to get our content div. Good. And now for this one, we need to take it from the GitHub page. The next one. So that should be this. So just copy this from the GitHub page. Oh, sorry. And just paste it here. And this your picker should be the same with this, since it's a class.picker, so it should be class 2. Alright. Okay, that should bring it up. Alright, this is it. This is what we are going to use. As you can see, what these watches means, all these watches are for all this color here. If you add an extra color, like let me say 0.0.0, maybe 0.5, and you save. Here, look at it, it's going to appear. So all these colors here are from this side. So let's just take it out, I don't really need it. And all these hex, RGB, HSL or CMY, they are all from here too. So if you remove one, let me say, change this to false, which is this RGB. You see, it's no longer there. So that's just how it is. Alright, then now I want to change it so that this image will also change. So what we need to do is to still take this JavaScript from the GitHub page and add it below. But the only thing we are going to need is this change, which is the onChange event. All these other ones we don't need save, show. We want it so that when we change the color, this image color will also change too. That's why we need it. So from here, good. I think it ends at this. don't need this. So let's change this. RGBs. Then let's add color equals to the RGBs G0, then to RGBA. That means we want to use RGBA. You can also use hex and HSLA or these ones too, but in this case we want to use this RGBA. That will be the color. Then now put this dot content, which is this content here that we choose. So we want the style dot background color to be equal to want to get the RGB, so that should be good. So color, which is that color 1. Good. Then we copy this, paste it 4 times. Sorry, this should be 0 and the other one should be 1, 2, 3. Let's check if that works. Oh, there must be something wrong. Okay, yeah, 2 double. Let's check. Alright. Oh, there's still a problem. What is it? Okay, guys, it seems that the problem came from here. Good. And that should do it. Alright. As you can see, now you can just change the background to any color. You can also use other things to do it, not only the issue. You can use clothes and other things. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. So please subscribe and like the video too. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.